Now have a look. This Mercedes ML doesn't start because of the headlights. Yeah, that's true, because of the headlights. Now, you would say, what's the connection? Well, this headlight, as you can see, it has water ingress, and the problem is not here. The problem is that down deep, it is a control unit. These headlights are electronically controlled, and what we suspect is happening, the control unit within the headlight is corroded, and because of that, it prevents the car to shuts off. The way that a modern car works, half an hour, 20 minutes after you completely switch off the ignition, all the control units are shutting down. Now, if there is a situation like this, where we might have corrosion in the control unit, we're going to have several control units that they're going to stay awake because of a wrong signal sent by this headlight control unit. And what they're going to do, if they're going to stay awake, they're going to use power, they're going to drain the battery. So something simple like this, it can drain the battery and make the mighty Mercedes not to start. So we're now going to proceed in taking the headlights off. We have to see if this is something to be saved. This is going to be just a control unit. If we can save the headlight, if it's a big crack, but also if the connector is badly corroded, can it be saved? So we're now in the process of taking everything off. A new headlight is quite costly, close to £1,000. We want to avoid that expensive possible for the customer. So let's take everything off and see if we can make this Mercedes go to sleep in time. So we have removed the offside headlight. Now we can see some of the repairs they've been done around the connector. It looks like it's glued. It's very interesting. How come? Because the brackets are not broken. So usually, if it's an accident, oh look, this is a bit cracked. This is a bit cracked. But those other two, no, hold on. So now it comes. It looks like also in here he had some repairs done. Yeah, so probably he has suffered a small bump. It's not too bad, no massive cracks. Look, have a look here. So this is also a second-hand unit. It's off eBay. Oh, look at that. Where is this leaking from? Okay, is it from the headlight? Oh, yeah. This is not good at all. We just have to take this one off. Okay. Is it disconnected? Not yet. Oh, look. Yeah. Someone did some. Look, the bracket. There's a metal plate. Yeah. Well, it looks like obviously the car had the front end damage. Gonna take both ends. Ruslan, can we take this module quickly? I'd like to see if we can see the. So look, he also is missing two bolts. Yeah. I'm just curious how big, how bad it looks inside. Yes. Yeah, there's a lot of water inside. It's very interesting how come around the connector. Maybe they've replaced the connector? Why is it cut in here? Because it doesn't make sense. It looks like it.
So suspicious, yeah. Unless it was like damaged.
And look in here, they repaired the bracket. They repaired the bracket. Huh?
Yeah, something like it here, isn't it?
Can you disconnect it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of water. Must be quite crowded, huh? It looks like. I mean, see, got it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh, see this. Aha. Have a look. This was supposed to be in here.
It was broke.
Yeah, very bad. Well, let's see. This is not very good, is it? Okay. Well, now the other thing is to see how bad the connectors look. Although in here they don't look. Maybe we can clean them out. So we're gonna need a new control unit. That's for certain. But we have to check where is also cracked. See, he had some repairs, so we have to do a smoke test. We have to do that on and look here. Yeah. So, and have a look. This does he have a seal? No. Or oh yeah, it seals in here. Yeah, that's fine. He has the seal. So you could potentially only put this. So you would do a smoke test to see how bad the housing is, and then make an assessment whether we can repair and just any controlling. But obviously take the other one off. No. Yeah, some work is being done, but poor because it hasn't been sealed correctly, and then see this amount of water. This is the end result, the controlling damage. Now, hopefully we can still save because they're expensive. Obviously, the car by now is not worth too much. Ideally, it will be new headlights, but yeah, to keep the cost down as everyone wants, we'll see exactly if we can repair those. We've got the unit on the desk, and the test with the smoke is the easiest to see where it cracks, where it's leaking. This crack over here, as we suspected, is also the fitting bracket on this headlight, the one that we had a lot of moisture on. This is leaking. Both of the control units are very bad. Can we undo? So this is the one that we already have undone. So on this particular one, both of the control units, it doesn't look too bad. So we're gonna glue that. We're gonna seal that with some silicone. We're gonna leave the headlight to dry out before we're gonna put it back on the car. And yeah, I mean, this is just a bit on the housing, but it doesn't seem to leak in here. So we're gonna seal those headlights, new control unit, which afterwards they should be able, we have to program them, and then we're gonna have them back on the car. Now we have both of the headlights sealed, both of them, or just one? Was it? Which one was broken? Both. Yeah. And in here we replaced the control unit. Yeah. One or two? Three. Oh my god! So this was quite bad. Okay. So this module here, the one on the back, and there's another one on the LED light, probably. Anyway, for that we had to use the scanner to program the control unit. Already done. We have the lights working now. We have to do a drain test, make sure that nothing drains the battery, but the headlights, can we turn them on? So these headlights, this one was not working at all, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, brilliant. So the light is restored. There's no more moisture inside. Obviously the headlights, they look the way they look, so they've been badly repaired, quite expensive. Customer want to keep it down in terms of cost. We'll try our best, but anyway, our aim was to have no moisture in the headlights, have them working, and now we're going to put them on and check again for drains, battery drains, and if it's all good, happy days. We have sorted out this Mercedes. So let's put it all back and then do a drain test. The GLE, it has now the headlights operating, no more moisture, new control unit, fully working. We've done the drain test on the car, no more drain. Even if the car is left for several days, the starting is as it should, and we have light. So this was the Mercedes where a battery drain caused by headlights was preventing the car from starting when he was left for several days because the battery was going flat. Stay close for more videos about repairs and in general cars.